In this video, I will tell you how to create a lesson plan of any subject in less than 1 minute. First, think of the required items of your lesson plan to include them in your prompt, like lesson name, subject, student's age, student's grade, lesson objectives, materials used during the session, introduction, procedure and activities, formative and summative assessments. And don't forget, how will you wrap up the lesson for your students? You may think that is too much to include in your prompt, but guess what? The more details you include in your prompt, the best results you get. Now use any chatbot to try this prompt, like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, or any other artificial intelligence chatbot. If you didn't like the result you got, you can edit your prompt till you get a satisfying result. If you like this video, subscribe to Tech and Teach channel for more tips.